How to fix Omegle camera not working. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Omegle camera not working. Open up the web browser. Here, search for Omegle. Open up its site. Then click on video from its homepage. Now tick on the restrictions checkboxes. Then click to continue. Chrome needs camera permission for this site. As you can see, the camera is blocked. So let's enable it. Click on the top bar and go into permission. Then go into phone settings. Open up apps from settings. Then click on app management. Here search Chrome. Go into its permission. As you can see, camera is here in the not allowed things. Click on it and choose allow only while using the app. Then open the Omegle page. Go into permissions. See the camera is now allowed. Then click reset permission. By clicking on reset, you can reset the permissions. Refresh the page, tap on video. Tick the checkboxes. Click to confirm and continue. Then allow Omegle to access your microphone and camera. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.